Hi friends, you are watching DigiMastery channel. This is Microsoft Excel series from beginner to advanced level. In this video, you will learn about formula and function in Excel. Please watch complete video to clear the concept. Let's start. You are seeing some student data, how to total of subject. Here 3 subjects are entered: math, English and computer. You can see over here. If we select these cells, the total is 179, and if we select these cells, 155 is the total or range. Sum is 140. If we select this range, the sum is 154. How I can calculate so fast? Actually, I am not doing this, but Excel. Here you can see in bottom of this sheet, Excel shows sum, count and average. Excel done this fast calculation. Now select range C2 to E2. We want sum of these subject in F2. What we can do? Go to the home tab. In home tab, here is editing group. If we click on this auto sum, you can see sum is completed. Now if you double click on the sum, you can see predefined formula in Excel. We can say it sum function. Always remember, predefined formula in Excel is called function. Formula and functions are two different things. In Excel, here we not enter plus sign, but we calculate sum through sum function. Delete this. For formula, we can select F2 cell and write is equal to, then I press C2 plus D2 plus and E2 and press enter. This is called formula. So I hope you know the difference of formula and function. This is formula and this is function. Go to the formula and show the formula. Now you can see the difference of formula and function. In function we cannot use plus, minus, multiply or divide sign. That is mathematical operator. Mathematical operator we cannot use. This is formula and this is function. So function is predefined formula is called function. Okay, we done sum through sum function. Here you can also use shortcut key. First select F2 cell where you want to calculate the sum, and then press Alt is equal to through your keyboard. You can see sum function which also show the range of cells C2 to E2. Press enter. Or you can write this. If we delete this, is equal to and then sum SUM and press the tab button, that automatically brackets open. Now select the range and press enter. Before press enter, you can close the bracket. But what happen when we press enter not closing the bracket? Just press enter. The Excel sense that when we press enter, Excel automatically sense this. Excel automatically close the bracket and get the desired result. You can see that when we press shortcut key Alt is equal to, you can see that Excel sense that automatically the range of the cells. In this case, the range is C3 to E3. let's see what's happened if I remove the text in B3 cell. Let's delete this. We can enter number instead of text. Now what happened? Alt is equal to. You can see this time Excel automatically sends the range which is B3 to E3. This range also considered B3 because there is a number instead of a text. Again text is appear. For undo, Ctrl Z pressed and delete this. These small things are important to know in Excel. If we double click on fill handle appear, here is fill handle, and double click on this, you can see all other calculation done by Excel automatically. If you press here, you can see the formula inside the formula bar. Click F4 cell, you can see that sum is equal to sum and the range of that formula is here. Now delete this again or Ctrl Z, whatever you want. Now this time all the action I perform through my keyboard. First we select F2 cell. Now press Alt is equal to and press enter. Then I hold shift button and press down arrow keys to select all the column. Now this time there is a shortcut key Ctrl+D. You can see all the calculation is done. Even I not touch the mouse. Now find the maximum number of these three subjects. There is a record and we find the maximum number in these threes. We can calculate this through formula. Here you can see home tab and editing group are right small arrow. When I press this arrow, you can see a pop-up menu or more options. Here you can see the option max. If I press max, you can see the max automatically detect the range of cells C2 to F2. But F2 is not we are calculating. That is the sum of these three subjects. Now here we can calculate maximum number of these three subjects. So I can select the range. You can see in this record there is 65 is a maximum number. You can delete this. All these shortcut keys you should remember in basic levels. Now sum vertically. If I press Alt and is equal to, you can see that vertically automatically detect the cells which is C2 to C11 and press enter. Again Alt is equal to, you can see the range of cells selected D to D11. If we delete this and we using filling handle, you can see all other calculation done by the Excels automatically. If you click here, you can see the formula in the formula bar. So we delete this. Now go ahead and find the maximum number of these three subjects. This is a record in which we find the maximum number. We can calculate through function. Here you can click on this little arrow and go to the maximum option and just click the maximum. You can see Excel automatically detect the range. This time Excel found the horizontal row record which is continuous, and Excel sense that F2 is also in this record. We cannot calculate the F2. We select the range C2 to E2. These are our three subjects and press enter. Here is maximum number we can find of these three subjects of a person. Now we can also find the minimum number through function. This time you can write is equal to and write MI and minimum, press tab and select the range and press enter. You can see the minimum number. You can also count the number, and this time I am only use keyboard and calculate the count of number. First you can press Alt. You can see here all the letters appear alphabetically. Now you can press H. When you press H, Home tab ribbon letters appear. Now where I can go, here you can see U. Press U. Now for count we can press C. You can see that count formula automatically detects the range numerical numbers. Now we guide this. We found only these three subjects. Press shift button and hold it and press the left arrow on your keyboard. This range I want and press enter. Count 3 is here. Here we can same average calculation is equal to AVG tabs enter. You can see the average of these subjects. So if we expand the width of this column, after the decimals you see the numbers. Now you can go here on number group, decrease the decimal. 2 numbers is best. Now here we can do select all the row and go to the fill handle here and click double click on that. You can see all the calculation done by automatically. I hope your concept is clear about formula and function. Please practice this. You know that practice makes perfect. I hope you will like this Excel tutorial. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.